In order to download jobs from LN into the factory track, we go into the Configuration Info LN Setup, Shop Floor Settings, Load Orders from ERP. We can select how many days prior, how many days into the future we should include. We can select PCS projects and production orders for now. This submits a task in the background which will run and download the jobs into factory track. In order to check these, we can open a form called Jobs List. This shows the jobs that have been downloaded from LN into factory track. So I can select all production orders and I can see the orders that have been downloaded. This job needs to be run periodically to ensure that the data in LN and factory track are kept in sync with one another.